right at the beginning of the lockdown, the very, very beginning, when all those horrendous bits on television were hitting us and we were all feeling very afraid. And I was sitting in my garden in the sunshine, feeling as safe as I could be, and in the next moment felt crushing guilt and responsibility and thought, what can I do that could help? And went through the sewing and everything else, and I thought, you know, the biggest problem here is the mental health of the nurses and the doctors and the staff who are dealing with something that they're having to learn on the spot. They're having to deal constantly with people dying, and they're not robots, they're human beings, and they are going to need huge emotional and mental support.